Welcome to the Afterspin. Opinions from thought leaders in our state. Becki Gray, you recently published a column praising the legislature for the work they've done cutting taxes, while also saying there's more work to be done. What are your suggestions for further tax reform?
Well, first of all, I want to commend the General Assembly for the tax reforms that have been done. They have had, along with tax reforms, regulatory reform, focus on infrastructure and a well-skilled workforce. We're really seeing North Carolina's economy turn around. But there's still more work to do and certainly suggestions. A couple that I would have is to repeal the capital gains tax in North Carolina to free that money up so that people can invest that money, use it another way. So again, I would reform or repeal the North Carolina capital gains tax. Also, to change the way that businesses can deduct expenses. You know, the way it is now, many of those expenses are over a certain period of time. For some businesses, it just works better for them to be able to deduct that expense in the year that the purchase is made. So I think that that would be a way.
You would either eliminate depreciation or...
You know what I would do? I would make it the choice of the tax filer. For whatever suited them best for that particular investment that they were making in their company. And if it was better to deduct it over a period of time, then allow them to do that. If it was better to do it one time in the year that it was done, to expense that, I think that makes sense. The other thing that I think we need to continue to look at is to eliminate the business-to-business taxes. 40% of our sales tax are business-to-business taxes. And there are some, actually this year, rolling back the mill machinery privilege tax is one of those. It's not a big deal. It doesn't affect a lot of people. It's about $50 million revenue impact, but you're beginning to look at those business-to-business taxes and roll those back. So those would be the three suggestions that I would have for further tax reform.
All right. Well, thank you for watching the Afterspin. We'll have more video all during the week on ncspin.com.